Are you having a hard time finding hidden files and folders in Windows? Then make sure to keep watching this video to learn how. Now to start, open File Explorer, click the View tab, check the box next to Hidden Items, click the drive you want to search, then type the name of the file you're looking for into the search field. But if you don't know the item's name, try typing an asterisk and then the item's file type or extension. Like for example, type in it like this, and this will display all the files that end with .jpg. But if you don't want to search for hidden files and folders, you can just browse different folders to see what was previously hidden. Now anything that was hidden has a slightly grayed out icon next to it. However, you have to take note that depending on the size of your hard drive and what you're searching for, it can also take a little while for results to appear. Now if any previously hidden files or folders match what you have searched, they will appear with slightly grayed out icons. If you don't see your desired hidden file, folder, or other item, click this PC in the left-hand column and run your search again. Now that's how to find hidden items, files, or folders in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.